It's my pleasure and big opportunity to express my gratitude to our Honorable Director Sir, Professor Emin Dojaji, who himself primarily a computer science professor and then a successful leader, guiding hundreds of organizations through his vast experience and knowledge in academic leadership and technology perspectives. I must say that the incredible leadership, timely and properly advised, and the freedom in decision making provided to us by Sir have been indispensable for us to work on any project at hand. As you know that IIIT Sonipat is celebrating National Technology Day 2021, and for that we need an expert who can guide us, who can mentor us, who himself is a big name in domain of science and technology. And we were fortunate that our request been accepted by Honorable Chief Guest for today's session, Professor Parveen Chandraji, Dean School of Information and Communication Technology, IP University, Delhi. Sir, thank you so much for coming here. Even at a short notice, you are so humble in accepting our request. Now, let me formally introduce you to our chief guest, Professor Parveen Chandraji. Dr. Parveen Chandra is working as a professor at the University School of Information and Communication Technology, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, New Delhi, and currently heading the position of Dean in US ICT IP University. In past, he also served the position of Controller of Examination in IP University, Delhi, after getting his education from the premium institutes like University of Delhi, IIT Dhanbad. He shifted himself toward teaching in various renowned academic institutions like Delhi University, Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, New Delhi, and later IP University, New Delhi. He has contributed more than 120 plus research papers in the domain of artificial neural network, artificial intelligence, algorithm design analysis, database management systems, and theoretical computer science. With this, now I would like to welcome Professor Chandraji to guide the country's young mind and innovators on different technological trends and his vision and desires to empower India on technological fronts. I welcome you, sir, on this platform.
Thank you, Mukesh. So, what would you like? Should I start giving my talk?
Yes, sir. Yes, sure, sir.
Look, I'm not a very formal person.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
When Professor Doja, I know him for almost 22 years now, called me up that you have to be the chief guest. And I'm saying this. He called me up and told me that I have to be the chief guest. I could not say no. In fact, I have not been able to say no to him most of the times. Unless I'm physically indisposed, I have never said no to him. He is such a nice person, such a knowledgeable person. He has not only guided his own students, he has also been a mentor for me. But that is my relationship with your director. And since I accepted it, I asked him, sir, what is the event? He told me, look, this is the celebration for the National Technology Day. And you'll have to give a talk for somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes. I said, fine, we will do that. Then that started me thinking, is this about technology or is it about engineering? Is there any difference between the two? Now let's first understand it. Technology is a concept. Engineering is its application. Triple IT may have technology in it. The name has technology in it. But please understand, when you apply technology, then only it becomes engineering. Now, technology, as we know, is a dual-edged sword. Engineering is not. Engineering is meant only for upliftment of the life of people. Like nuclear power can be used in both the ways, destructive as well as constructive. So, my talk will be primarily on if this event had been called National Engineering Day, what we would have talked about. Because if I talk only of technology, then it would be development of new ideas, maybe very historic in nature, maybe not relevant for application. But a technology that does not have relevance and does not have applications in real life for the protection of the people and for upliftment of the life of the people has almost no meaning. So I will orient my talk towards engineering and the needs of engineering right now. Why we need engineers? What can engineers do to make the world better? And let's make it very narrow. We are living through for almost last 16 months, okay, 14 months roughly, through a pandemic situation which has arisen after almost 100 years. Think of this. The world population 100 years back was one third of what it is. In fact, India's population of today might be equivalent to the world population of the 1920s. And if the same scenario repeats, loss of human lives would be, you can understand it. We are seeing it. In the first wave, as a country, we slightly escaped with minor injuries if you look at the nation as a human being. But this wave, we have seen a lot of loss. How can we contribute as a group of engineers to this? My talk is primarily for the students who are listening to this. Please understand, you would be in the vanguard when you go into the life, useful life after your studentship is over. You would most probably inherit a world which has been deeply scarred by this pandemic. How can we help in that? All engineering fields, please understand, all engineering students are geared towards making models of reality and tweaking it. When I say tweaking it, look, the basic principles of any engine is the same thermodynamic cycle that we have. But we can always make refinement and try to go such that the efficiency tends towards one. Which means as an engineer, we always aspire to achieve something better than what it is right now. It can be reduction in time, it can be reduction in wastage, it can be increase in the efficiency of the system that we are talking of. Be that even civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, electronics, anything. Engineering has to do with efficiency. Engineering has to do with efficiency. At one time, we used to talk of reduce the manpower requirement, reduce the monetary requirement, reduce the material requirement. What has now become paramount important is reduce the time requirement. And when we talk of this, please also understand, we no longer only talk about material goods, we talk of non-physical goods also. In fact, the new wave of engineering is geared towards something which is known as the information age, which is reducing the time gap in information supply from one point to another anywhere, whatever point on the earth that we need the information, it should be made available as early as possible. Our students, we hope, would be in the vanguard of all this. They would be developing technologies which can be used to justify that we produce good engineers. We not only produce engineers who just go into a routine life and keep on doing what the person before them who was holding that charge was doing. They do something better, they do something faster. I will not talk about AI and things. Please understand, fashions come in normal life, fashions comes in academics also. Opportunities come. This is, if we talk of that, this is the second wave of pandemic. Please understand, in my opinion, this is the third wave of AI. This is the third time in the last 80 years that it is being said AI will solve almost everything. Twice it has failed. So it should be tempered. We should be optimistic, but it should be a tempered optimism that we have. It will solve many things currently. Then we'll reach a saturation point like in any technique that is developed for the first time. But currently, since there is a boom, there is a large opening for people, and application of these techniques in the current scenario is massive. be that detection of scars in the lungs, be that reading the signatures of the biophysical system, AI can. And please understand, AI is not computer science. AI is modeling in per se, which means any engineer is capable of doing that. In fact, most of the good works have been done by people not from computer science. From any field that people can approach, define a problem, they can solve it. And it is this problem solving methodology and paradigm that has to be inculcated in our students. And I hope that our students will be able to do. I will keep my talk brief. I end it here. Thank you. And I hope I was audible.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're completely audible, sir.
Thank you.
Many thanks to respected Professor Parveen Chandraji for his blessings, mentorship, and support for all such occasions. Sir, we are very much optimistic that as and when we need your guidance, you will always be there for us. Once again, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your vast experience in academic and technological domain. As you all know that IIIT Sonipat has shifted to its makeshift campus at Rajiv Gandhi Education City in the year 2019 with a best strength of 120 plus students in CSC and IT. We believe that the strength and the pillars of any institute are its students. At this point, I must congratulate all students of IIIT Sonipat who have taken this institute to a new height in such a short period. From 2019 to 2020, our students have put forward a lot of technological solutions to the various kinds of problems, sir. I would like to take this opportunity to showcase these achievements so that today's aim for developing sustainable technological solutions for the progress of country can be fulfilled and seniors can motivate their juniors in this regard. I wish to call Siddhant Tiwari and Pulkit Goyal to show what the institute has achieved as far as the technological perspectives are concerned. Thank you, Siddhant and Pulkit. I wish all students will work for the institute mission and the vision. At this point, sir, we have planned different student activities related to National and Technological Day, such as poster presentation, technical quiz, short movie, and photography. The entries in these has already been started, and now it's time to finalize these activities. Respected faculty members have already shared a link, and you can go there, students can go there and participate and can win the exciting prizes. And we will again meet here at sharp 2 p.m. to announce the winners of different activities.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you,
That means I can
thank
leave.
you, Professor Parveen Chandraji, for coming here, sharing your knowledge and guiding us
So I
for better
wish you all the best. Please
Thank you,
keep
sir.
on doing whatever you are doing. Be safe. And for the students, keep
Thank
on
you, sir.
developing things. Always think of new things. And sometimes your teachers and old people like me might say, "Ye mat karo." Don't care. Do whatever you wish, but do something new, right? Without harming anybody, without hurting anybody. Good luck to
Thank you
all of
so
you.
much.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So now students can join their respective groups. I think link has already been shared with the students, and respective faculty coordinators and the student coordinators have shared the links with all the students about the different activities. You have time, so we will again meet up here at the 2 p.m. to announce the winners. So maybe there are one or more entries. If you want to again share it, you want to fill the entries, you can do so. So at sharp 2 p.m. we are going to meet here and we will announce the result.
Okay. All the best to all students.
Good luck, student. Try best.
Okay, sir. I
Okay,
think
sir. We will
Ravi sir,
rejoin now.
we will again meet up at 2 p.m. here. So up to that point, I think we can end this session right now.
Thank you, Mukesh, sir. Thank
Thanks
you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, sir. So I think we can start formally. Yes, am I audible, Gaurav sir? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir, audible, sir, audible.
So, okay. Now for the results, let me give this opportunity to Swamiji to announce the results for different activities for this particular day. So over to you, Swamiji.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
I feel immense pleasure and privilege for giving this opportunity of announcing the results. It's time to announce the winners of the poster presentation. The event coordinator of the poster presentation, faculty coordinator is Ms. Sunita Sharma, and student coordinators are Aditya Chaudhary and Aviraj. The first prize goes to Arshavardhan Verma, IT first year, and second prize goes to Aditya Chaudhary, IT first year.
Okay, that's great.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Heartily congratulations to one and all. I'm excited to announce the winners of the technical quiz event.
Swami sir, if you can on your video, it will be good, sir.
Sir, Rajiv will be share the video. Okay, I don't have a Rajiv. Rajiv, is it possible to share the video first and second winners?
No, your video, sir. Your video.
Your video means I can share my video. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, you can share, sir. You can share.
I can share.
This is first prize.
Harshvardhan.
Yes.
Harshvardhan Verma.
Harshvardhan
Big
Verma.
and heartily congratulations to one and all.
Congratulations. In which branch, Harshvardhan?
IT first year.
IT. Okay.
Congratulations, Harshvardhan.
Next is who's next? Aditya Chaudhary from IT.
Aditya Chaudhary.
Congratulations, Aditya.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm excited to announce the winners of the technical quiz. First of all, I would like to send a big thanks to everyone who participated our quiz contest, answered all questions. Over 100 people took part in this testing their knowledge. I congratulate the winners and let me announce them now. Okay. For that event, Dr. Kumaraswamy is the faculty coordinator Pulkit Goyal is a student coordinator, and Vansh Agarwal. First prize goes to Vansh Kela, IT first year, and second prize goes to Kunal Singh, the same branch, IT first year.
Great.
Heartily congratulations to one and all.
Great.
Great. Congratulations.
Congratulations to both of you.
Now it's time to announce the winners of the short movie. The short movie faculty coordinator is Mr. Arkam and Dr. Rajiv Verma. Student coordinators are Tushar Upadhyay and Raghav Dogra. First prize goes to Chandramouli Sharma, IT first year, and second prize goes to Kunal Singh in the IT first year.
Congratulations, both of you.
So,
Rajiv, possible you have to
Okay.
share the link with.
okay, I am sharing the.
आप लोग भी उन लोगों से परेशान है जो रिसर्च करके मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करते हैं। क्या आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपके दोस्त बिना सोचे मैसेज फॉरवर्ड कर दें? तो आज ही लाइए ये मशीन लर्निंग टेक्नोलॉजी, ये इस्तेमाल से बना हुआ गूगल फैक्ट चेक टूल। राइटर में नहीं लिखना था, क्या मतलब है कि मैं ही राइटर हूँ, और क्या मतलब है कि ये मैंने जानबूझ के प्लग करने के लिए लिखा था। हाँ, तो हमारे ऐप व्हाट्सएप में आपको मिलेगा हर दिन एक ईगो सेटिस्फाइड, और हाँ, आपको हर दिन 9 लोगों को मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करना होगा, और अगर आपने ऐसा नहीं किया तो आपका फोन सही में क्रैश कर जाएगा। तो जब मैंने अपने दोस्त को बताया ये व्हाट्सएप के बारे में, तो उसने तो मुझे बड़े प्यार से कहा, क्या बकवास है ये? ऐसा नहीं है, कहीं रहती मैंने भी बहुत जेन्युइन और रियल लोगों को भेजी, जैसे कि नेशनल एंथम को वेस्ट नेशनल एंथम कर दिया, और वो नासा की फोटो भी जो दिवाली पे आई थी मैंने भेजी थी उसको भी।
Congratulations.
Okay, I am
Very good.
showing.
Very good.
Second prize goes to Kunal Singh.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Next is this.
हमने ऐसे काफी सारे कंसोल ट्राई कर रखे, पुराने वाले, नए वाले,
अरे क्या आ गया?
Great. Very nice.
Very good, Kunal. Very good, Kunal.
Very good, very good.
It's time to announce the winners of photography. The event faculty coordinator Dr. Rajiv Verma and student coordinator Nishan Sabarwal second year and Shivam Bansal first year. First prize goes to Vaibhav Singh and second prize goes to Shivam Bansal.
Great. Congratulations both of
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to one and all.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Okay, this one is the first prize, and
So yes, this is Weber's, right?
second one is Shivam. Okay. Okay.
Heartily congratulations to one and all. All the winners along with the coordinators will get a exciting prizes, certificates and trophy whenever they will physically attend at the college. Very soon we will publish in Institute magazine and names of all the winners and student coordinators will be published. And hard copy will be provided to each winner and coordinators today's event. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And yeah, now I wish to extend my sincere thanks to the Department of Science and Technology, Haryana, for sponsoring this event. With this, I would like to thank you all for coming here, making today's National Technological Day full of energy. Thank you all. Now, everyone will open their camera so that we can click one photo. Please open your camera. Rajiv sir, can you please click one photograph? I think we have more than 75.
So okay, I take.
Okay, now please open your camera. Sir.
Okay, open your cameras. One.
Gora sir is there. Yes, Gora sir is there. Sunita ma'am.
Okay, cameras are on.
I think most of students have opened their camera. We can click the photo right now, sir.
Okay, मैं पहले इसको. Okay, done.
It's done, sir.
Done.
Okay, now. So now we will stand up for the national anthem, and after which this session will be closed. So I request Dr. Rajiv to start with the national anthem, and we'll all stand up. So please open your camera.
1 minute, sir. I am. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, start करें फिर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Start करिए, sir.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. Thank you for coming here and making this event successful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all. Thanks to
All the
all
best. Take care. Bye.
all the faculty members and students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.